Coinbase shares closed at $327 on their Nasdaq debut, giving the crypto exchange an initial market cap of $86 billion on a fully diluted basis. Fully diluted refers to the total number of common shares outstanding and available to trade on the open market after all possible sources of conversion. But some feel this measure gives an inaccurate valuation as it includes options and restricted stock, therefore overstating the number of shares used in the valuation. In the build-up to the IPO, some analysts expected Coinbase to achieve a $100 billion valuation. While its closing valuation wasn't a million miles away, it was still less than expected. Coinbase is the first major crypto company to test the US public market. Its IPO was hailed as a turning point in cryptocurrency going mainstream. Analyst Dan Ives wrote, "Coin opened at $381 on the Nasdaq Global Select Market. Early on, buyers pushed the price as high as $429, but bears soon took over to dip the price as the day wore on. It ended the session at $327. The firm had released some impressive figures before its public debut. It showed a spike in revenue and a doubling of its monthly active users from the previous quarter. But market research firm New Constructs had already sounded the alarm on a severe overvaluation at $100 billion. They believe a valuation this high takes no account of a future squeeze on its transaction margins. While Coinbase's fully diluted valuation came in at $86 billion, pretty much in the middle of pre-debut expectations of between $60 billion and $100 billion, CIO at Arca Jeff Dorman said this figure is grossly overstated. Dorman slammed the media for misinformation and horrible reporting, saying they were using the wrong share count. Based on 198 MN Class A and B shares, Coinbase's closing valuation should be $64.70 MN. On the matter of ever reaching a $100 billion valuation, researcher Larry Cermak expects this to happen as long as the bull market continues. At this point, it's unclear whether an overstated Coinbase market cap is a help or hindrance to crypto. While an overstated valuation is likely to drum up interest, the spin side sees additional pressure on Coinbase to live up to the hype.